Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the academic social networking. As you know that social networking is the buzzword of 21st century, and we like to interact with our friends and relatives through Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. But uh, social networking has got many disadvantages also. Uh, but let's focus on the positive part of it, and we will talk about the academic social networking where teachers and the students, they are in constant touch with each other through technology. So we would go to edmodo.com. So edmodo.com is normally called academic Facebook. You got to sign up first and sign up as a teacher or student. If you are a student, then click this student link, and you will be registered here. So I have signed up as a teacher, so I will log in, and here is my account. As you can see, the basic interface relates to Facebook very much. The broad idea is that uh, I will make the group of my students here. I will click this. I will create one group. I will name the group here, and subject area, suppose researchers, subject area, and create. Finish. So this group is created here, and anybody who wants to join this group will have to register on the Edmodo by using this group code. For example, a student who is already registered on the Edmodo, so he or she can join this group by entering the group code this way. So I have created many groups as per my own requirements. These are the one, and if you click the group, then it will show that 65 people, they have joined this, and these are all the people who have joined. Okay, let's come to the academic part of it. Now I want to share something instantly with my students. For example, now this is the post that I want to share with my students, so I will type the name of the group. For example, researchers, this one, researchers, yeah. So if I send this, then this post will be sent to everybody in the researchers group. Or if you want to send this post to a particular student, then what I will do is I will type the name of the student here. For example, Gaurav computers, Gaurav Rolan, yeah. So if I send this, so it will be sent only to Gaurav, nobody else in the group. And if the student replies to this post, then the standard procedure of Facebook is there, that you reply and it will be added. For example, these are the posts. If I reply here, and reply would be sent. or if somebody wants to share that post, he or she can share it with others also. And along with this post, I can attach many files. For example, I can attach a file from my computer, for example this photo, or some link from the website, for example youtube.com/Umesh Arya. So it will automatically bring out the title of the website, attach, and I can schedule the message also. Like, I don't want to send this message now, so I can schedule the message. I can create I can insert some files from the library items folders or Google Drive. So these folders, they are very much part of the Edmodo server. You upload certain files on the folder and you can attach them to various posts, and then you send. So this way you are able to share some information with the students instantly, and students, they are able to interact with themselves and with the teacher. The most beautiful application of this Edmodo is that there is a track record of all the information shared. These days, in the era of information overload, the teacher has so much information to share, and then the teacher forgets after 2 to 3 weeks that what was shared. So all the earlier posts, they are available in the archive. For example, if I type SPSS, then it shows the earlier posts shared by me which are having the word SPSS. So these are the 2 videos which I embedded into the Edmodo from YouTube, and if I open this, then this video will be played here only.
This is Dr. Umesh Arya, and you are going to see
it's so easy
in the market.
So all the information sources, all the educational material is at one place, and you don't need to run from pillar to post. So friends, from this academic Facebook at edmodo.com, we have seen that it is very beneficial for the students as well as the teachers, and it is a ready-made archive method for the earlier posts and one-stop shop for all the academic activities. Thank you very much.